Welcome to 1061 21st Street, located in dynamic and exciting Oakland, just a few blocks west of Oakland's vibrant downtown. Hi, I'm Claudia Mills, and I'm happy to be able to offer this almost brand new construction 3+ bedroom, 3-bath, single-family home built by local noted design build team, Workshop One. Here is an open floor plan design perfect for today's modern home buyer, and as with all Workshop One projects, there's a level of detail and finish that's rare in today's new home market. Entering through the front door into the great room, one is immediately impressed by the light that comes through all the windows, including the massive slider that leads out to the garden. The high ceilings with its recessed lighting helps create a feeling of openness and flow between the spaces. The kitchen features high-end finishes and fixtures and a timeless modern design with white quartz countertops, sleek oak cabinets, and stainless steel appliances. The enormous slider creates a seamless indoor-outdoor feeling with the lovely garden beyond. It would be easy to entertain here on warm summer evenings. The garage offers convenient interior access to the home, and in addition to the second side entrance, an expansive hall and full bathroom make it perfect for versatile live-work use. Upstairs, you find 3 bedrooms. The primary bedroom is generous with high ceilings and a gorgeous operable skylight, and the bonus room between it and the primary bath could be easily converted into an office or walk-in closet for the full ensuite experience. The primary bath with its dual oak vanities is stylishly detailed. The other 2 bedrooms are also generous and share a well-appointed bath. So here's a fantastic, almost new home that's located only blocks away from Oakland's downtown that's bursting with new restaurants and retail shops. It's close to parks, the freeway, and the West Oakland BART station, which will have you quickly in downtown San Francisco. Suffice it to say, this is one of the most dynamic areas in the East Bay, making 1061 an opportunity not to be missed. For more information, call me at 510-350-6419. Thanks for watching.